Hello class 1, welcome back to your English literature class children. So this is your book Mulberry 1, isn't it? New Mulberry part 1, and in the previous class we were discussing page number 60 and chapter 6 of your book. So this is chapter 6 of your book, The Boy and the Toffees, isn't it? The Boy and the Toffees. So children, open your book at page number 6060. Okay, we'll start the chapter. We have already completed the first two stanzas, paragraphs of the chapter, isn't it? Now let us start with from the third stanza. So we will start from the third stanza. Okay, from here. So what we have learned in the previous class, we read about a boy whose name is Anand, isn't it? So his mother brought some toffees for his birthday, and she, without informing anyone, she hid the jar of toffees in the shelf, but somehow Arnav managed to see. And then when she left out, she means Arnav's mother left out to buy the groceries, and now Arnav's got a chance to have, as he was anxiously, eagerly waiting for his mother to leave for the supermarket to buy the groceries, isn't it? Now when she left, he got a chance. Now what he will do, let us see. Yes, let us start. I will read the third paragraph loudly, and you will also read along with me, children. Okay? Am I fast? Okay. Let us start. He drags a stool to the cupboard where his mother has kept the jar. Arnab is too short to reach the shelf. He stands on the stool and takes the jar slowly. He puts his hand into the jar and greedily takes as many toffees as his hand can hold. But when he tries to pull his hands out, it gets stuck. The mouth of the jar is too small for his hand. Okay, let us see. Now, as he was waiting for his mother to leave for the supermarket, now the time came, and when she left, then what he did? See, he drags a stool to the cupboard where his mother has kept the jar. Now see what he is doing, this boy. Now, Arnab, he saw that his mother has kept the toffees in the shelf, isn't it, in the cupboard? Now, he dragged a stool. He was a small boy. He was not so tall, so it was difficult for him to reach the shelf. He has to take help of something. So he thought of an idea, and he got an idea. What was the idea? He took a stool, okay, and he dragged, means he pulled the tool towards the cupboard where his mother has kept the jar. Then, but he was as he was very short to reach the shelf, he took help of the stool. Okay, then he stand on the stool to take the jar slowly. Then what he did, he stood on the stool, okay, so that he can reach the shelf. Clear? Then what he did, he put his hand into the jar, and then he took the jar down. Okay. Thereafter, he puts his hand inside the jar. See here the picture, you can see he is putting his hand inside the jar. Why? To take the toffees out of the jar. Now, and greedily takes as many toffees as his hand can hold. He was a boy, and he was in hurry. He had a fear in his mind that his mother will come back soon. So he was doing everything very hurriedly, okay. So he put his hand inside the jar, and he took as many chocolates his small hand can hold, okay. But when he tries to pull his hand out, it gets stuck. Yes. Now the climax is when he was trying to take out his hand out of the jar, he couldn't do. His hand was his hand was full of the toffees. Now he want to pull out the hand out of the jar, but his hand got stuck inside the jar. Why? Because the mouth of the jar was too small for his hands. Because the mouth of the jar. So which one is mouth? This is a jar. This portion is the mouth of the jar. And this mouth of the jar was small for his hand to come out, and he was at the top, he was holding so many chocolates together like this. He was making a fist inside this. Okay. Now it was difficult for him. So what he has to do now, he was in tension. What he will do? The mouth of the jar is too small for his hand. Now turn the page. Come to page number 61. Okay, let us read first. Arnab doesn't want to lose any toffees. No matter how hard he tries, he is unable to take out his hand. He begins to cry. Just then his big brother Rohit sees Arnab crying. Gently Rohit places a hand on Arnab's shoulder and says, "Hold only half of the toffees and you will easily get your hand out. Then you may have some more toffees some other time." Arnab smiles at Rohit. He stops crying, wiping his nose with the other hand. Arnab lets some of the toffees go. He is now able to take his hand out smoothly. Okay, let me explain it. Now he took a lot of chocolate in his hand and he was unable to take out his hand out of the jar because the mouth of the jar was very small. Now, but what happened? Arnab doesn't want to lose any toffee, a single toffee. He wants all the toffees together. No matter how hard he tries, he was unable to take out his hands. He was trying hard, he was struggling, but he was unable to take out his hand because his hand was full with toffees. Then what should be done? He was feeling pain also. He was feeling pain in his hand as he was trying hard. Then he begins to cry because he didn't want to lose a single toffee. Just then what happened, his big brother, whose name was Rohit. Rohit sees Arnab crying. Then he came. Gently Rohit placed his hand on Arnab's shoulder. Then he placed his hand on his brother's shoulder and said, "Hold only half of the toffees. Now you leave some toffees. You take few toffees like this, then your hand will come out." Okay. So you hold half of the toffees, then your hand will come out easily out of the mouth of the jar. Okay, leave some toffees inside. Okay, don't make a big fist like this. Okay, then you may have some more toffees some other time. You can have some more toffees some other time. Why to take all the toffees together and eat all the toffees? It is not good also, isn't it? As the elder brother, Rohit told him, just take some of the toffees, let some of the toffees go, keep it for the next time. You can have it some other time also. And then Arnab smiles at Rohit. Then Arnab, he looked at his elder brother and he gave a smile, a sweet smile. He stopped crying. Then he stops crying also. Wiping his nose with the other hand, like you, he's also small boy. When you are crying and you do like this, now you wipe your nose with your hand, isn't it? So like you, he was wiping his nose as he was crying like this. Then he was wiping, as now he has understood that there is no other option for him. He has to leave some toffees inside, otherwise his hand is not going to come out from the jar. Now he wiped his nose with the other hand because one hand was already inside the jar. Then Arnav let some of the toffees go. Now he understood, then he let some of the toffees go. He is now able to take his hand out smoothly. Now he was able to take out his hand smoothly, okay, in a easy way, easily. Smoothly means easily. He was able to take out his hand without much difficulty. Okay, so he took out his hand smoothly out of the jar. See, both the brothers, the picture is given here. So before his mother came back, he has done everything. He got the toffees also. Okay, now he stopped crying and he was happy with the chocolates, the toffees he had. Okay, so this is the story. I think everyone liked the story because children, they like toffees, and obviously then they will love the toffee, the story about toffees. And we have learned that what you have learned, we should not have whatever we have got all together, isn't it? In a single day, don't finish. Keep it properly. Otherwise, if we eat more chocolates, it affects our teeth also, isn't it? And then stomach pain starts. So it is good to keep the thing properly and not to eat everything whatever you get in a single day all together, isn't it? So this is what we have learned from the story. And if we are very greedy, then like Arnab, you have to face trouble also, isn't it? But luckily his elder brother saved him. So you love the story, you like the story. In the next class, I will explain the exercise to you, and thereafter I will give the question answers also. Okay, thank you.